All right, so the car is the 1988 through 1991 Honda Civic Wagon, but four-door CRX hatchback should all be basically the same on the front clip. What we're going to do today is strip down the front clip, starting with the front bumper, and tear it all down into the engine bay. Check out kind of the tools we'll need. Pretty basic to take the whole thing apart. The power tools aren't really necessary, but I got a 10, 12, 14, 17 wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, needle nose, channel locks, and a pair of dikes, wire cutters, a couple different socket wrenches, some extensions, and again, same sizes on the socket, 10, 12, 14, 17. Could take apart the whole car with that. A couple other tools come in handy here and there, but if you're going in order, that's really all you need. So then there's that hood release cable sitting here, and again, these needle nose I got sitting right here is going to pop that cable free just nice. And then get it out of there. More of these clips, save these, not something you can buy autos on. So there's the radiator brace. Based on country of origin, some of the hatchbacks will say made in Canada, but made in Japan is probably more desirable. Separating now the hood release latch from the G-brace. These are notorious to fail and get junk and crap down in this spring. It's just as easy to pull it as to try to clean it in there. So if you're having trouble with your hood releasing, this would be what you would go after. So the steel's in great shape on this, but it's just from the inside is on that spring, so it's going to last a whole lot longer if you clean that off and keep it oiled correctly. It's been that way for 35 years now, but while it was off, you would definitely want to clean that or give it some TLC.